Morning guys, this is Grapples Vlogs and we have a new item here. It's a Ryobi 10-inch cordless string trimmer and edger. This is an 18 volts lithium ion battery and has a quick charger, and we got it at Home Depot. Pretty much what we need for a lawn. So just get into it and unbox it real quick. Set the box aside. That's how it looks like. This is the charger and the battery, I believe. Yep. 18 volt battery and charger and teleport. These are great. These chargers, nickel, cadmium, and lithium ion batteries for Ryobi. This is the battery set. As you can see, it's a Ryobi 1. So that means that you can use it in any Ryobi products as long as it has the 1+ sign on it. It's interchangeable with the drills and whatever they have in there. Good product. I believe we got it for $65, I think. I have to double check how much I got it. Trimmer, put the battery down here. And it's ready to go. You can see it right there. Very strong. For safety reasons. And then it has a guard to use it for. Trimmer. You can see right here. For you. It has the instructions and everything. It has a couple of screws that you put in. The 10-inch, you can see. Instructions manual, nothing fancy. You gotta read all the manual before you use this one. It's a must. The battery is charging. When it's flashing like that, it's charging right now. And then when it's done, it's a solid green light. It doesn't say defective here. It just says power on when the red light is just on steady mode. It's what you see when it's charging on the charger. Or 1+ chargers, and then when you release it, just press that one. As you can see, put it in the slot. Charge. So I'm going to demonstrate how to reassemble the device here. Just put this one here, and then hold this button. And then press it down and it will go around. There you go. So that's how it is. Ryobi 1, pretty good. when you release it, just press this button. Both ends. Put it down. Don't forget to register the product. I will register it very soon too. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.